Is it possible to make a collection of 5,000 or 10,000 generative NFTs without using one line of code? I know it sounds impossible, but I have a solution for you today, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do this yourself without the need of a developer, without the need of a team, without the need of anything besides your browser and one piece of software. It is absolutely revolutionary. I can't wait to share this with you. My name is Marcin Teodoro. I'm the co-founder of Mint4 NFT. And in this video, we're gonna jump right into that. You guys check out our channel. Make sure you guys hit the follow. It's a brand new channel where we're teaching everything about NFTs from start to finish. Make sure you guys get our free course below. But for now, let's talk about generative NFTs. So what is generative NFT artwork? If you're a developer, you probably understand this, but most of your artists or collectors or investors who are watching this, all it means is these little characters that you see that we are all buying. Here's CryptoPunks as an example. These weren't all created one by one. There was basically a bunch of traits, a bunch of properties, and then they put them into a computer program, and then it randomly selected and randomly generatively created all of these variations. So, for example, they took 10 heads, 20 types of eyes, 10 of them had cigarettes, 20 of them had earrings, and then the computer, through development, randomly selected them and actually created those NFTs. That's the whole idea of generative artwork. And CryptoPunks are not the only ones that you do this with, right? Most of the top projects right now, you got CryptoToads, generative. Mutant Cats, generative. Bored Ape Club, Bored Yacht Club is all generative. See all these characters? So there's 10,000 unique, and as you can tell, they all have a similar body, they have different shirts, they have different smiles, they have different noses, but they are all created as one thing with different layers, and then the computer software randomly spits them out. Right now, if you're an artist and you want to make NFTs, you either have to hire a developer, pay him a lot of money, trust him that he's not going to steal your stuff, and then basically get it out there. And it's going to be a long process versus what I'm about to show you. So with no further ado, let's just jump right into it. It's called NFT Collection Maker. It basically takes your artwork and with a few clicks of a mouse, drags of a mouse, it lets you create 1,000, 5,000, 7,000 NFTs in an amazing, simple to use UI. And let me show you a quick demo of it right now.
Okay, here we are inside the platform you can use with Mac or PC, and we'll see how fun and easy it is to make these great looking collections of generated art inside NFT Collection Maker. And you start by going to Create in the left panel, and we'll call this collection Demo B, hit Save, and the first thing you'll do is make the traits for the images its parts. And the first trait we'll make, hit Create, start with Background. Its default layer is 1, save it. The next trait will be Body, default layer 2, save. And the third trait will be Hair, default layer 3, and so on. And I'm going to go to Demo A to save time. It's already made, and this is what all the traits look like when they're finished. You can see all the layers and all the items that have been added to make the arts look so great. And you can add as many items as you like here. So let's check on the clothing preview window here and look, and these are the cool parts that you can add, and here you can define the rarity of the items you've added or chance of the items to be included in the image. And by default, it's 100 divided by the number of images, so you can see here, this item appears in 3.85% in all the images in the collection. And of course, you can control how often you want certain items to appear by adjusting this fantastic handy slider. Now, in another item, a feature we haven't seen anywhere else, multi-images in each item. The same image with two parts, because some hair may not work with, say, the hoodie, so you can choose there, and also some more flexibility. Sometimes you don't want some items working with other items, so back to traits quickly here, open the hair preview. As an example, this beret here won't work with the hoodie I showed you, right? So you go to Forbidden Items here, and you add other items to not be generated in this image. And in this case, it's, you can see here, black hoodie clothing, bathrobe, and a few other items. Super, super, super cool. The perfect image you envision. All right, now back to the NFT panel. to see how to generate your previews, and wait till you see how quickly that happens with thousands of unique images being generated in almost no time. So I just will delete these previews here so I can regenerate and show you the magic. So watch this. Generate preview, we're making 3,000 images, hit go. Not even in 2 seconds. And you have 3,000 images generated. 3,000 fantastic images to generate. Each one is unique. You just can't do that manually. And there you are.
How crazy is that? It's very, very simple. As you guys see, there's some crazy technology behind the scenes. The preview, the export, everything is fully automated. It is extremely easy to use. And now you need to just worry about getting your NFTs to the marketplace, getting them out there. We don't have to get into why NFTs are important. You guys came to this video to learn how to actually create generative artwork. I'm not gonna bore you with the history of NFTs and why I think it's a good idea. I really wanted to show you the software. You guys saw the demo. The only thing left to do is if you guys wanna try it out, Andrew and the team created an amazing deal for you guys right now since this thing is brand new. I mean, this literally came out. We're probably going to be one of the first videos on YouTube for NFT Collection Maker. So take a look here. It's all limited on the very, very launch. You can see here, we actually have 36 minutes for this official launch. There's a full 30-day money-back guarantee. And you can get it right now for $277 as a one-time payment. And what that will allow you to do is create one NFT collection. So if you're just creating one project, you guys did the artwork, $290 or $277, you get up to 7,000 NFTs for one full year with all the training, all the support, be able to sell all your NFTs. So $277. Before this would probably cost you $5,000. There are some guys on Fiverr doing it, but you don't know who to trust. Are they gonna steal your stuff? Like, it's just kind of a nightmare been dealing with this. I had to go through the hard times to figure this out on my own and working with guys who stole our artwork. And then now you have a solution like this. So $277, check it out, one collection, and then up to 5 collection, it just goes up to $497. So this is a no-brainer. If you know other artists that need to get their stuff minted, you pay $500, you charge them $500 to do one collection. So it's seriously a no-brainer. People love it, people have been using it. We've been testing this for a couple weeks now, and it really does work. So let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments. Hope you like it. The link for the software is in the comments. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate you. If you liked the video, please hit that like and subscribe and all the notification stuff. As you see, this is a brand new YouTube channel, but we have a lot in store for you regarding NFTs, regarding different softwares, regarding different partnerships that we're working with. We have a lot of collections we're actually creating right now. We're all in on this NFT space. Me and my partner Joel, that you've probably seen in the other videos. We're very excited. This is an amazing space. It is the future, and we're all in. So thank you so much. Please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.